पावसाचे दीस तातूंत भर डेंग्यूचेर विधानसभेत चर्चा जाली. गोंयांत आतां मेरेन 102 डेंग्यू केशींची नोंद जाल्या. ह्या कडेन पळयत जाल्यार भिवपाची गरज ना, भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन आपल्या उतरांनी सांगलें.
जरळांना नपयत करपा खातीर शक्य तितलें फॉगिंग जाता, पूण सगळ्या वाठारांतल्या पालिकांनी आनी पंचायतींनी बरोबर येवन हाचेर उपाय काडूंक जाय, राणेन सांगलें. हे दुयेंस जावचें न्हू ते खातीरचे उपाय, जरळांची पैदास कशी थांबोवप हाचेर आमदारांनी कांय सुचोवण्यो केल्यो. पळयात.
There are cases increasing, like there is no place in the hospital also, bedui nahi. So in this type of circumstances, two questions I want. One, whether steps will be taken to see that surrounding area and those areas are well taken care so that there is no more cases. And second, whether such type of cases are dengue is a common sickness now. COVID, is a big sickness. I mean, sickness, I'm not saying it's a big sickness. Sickness is where treatment requires specialty. Now dengue cases even hospicio can. Those cases, at least there will be no referrals to JMC. Even the primary health centers have got beds. एक पार्टी primary health center and कौन आसना, एक patient देखो आसना. Whether steps can be taken, even district hospital and some dengue case की ज़ाता dengue case, the sickness is well known, the prognosis is known, the everything is known. So whether those type of cases can be, can be split off so that there is no pressure on the hospicio and the GMC.
We have made it very clear that we are going to keep a proper thorough check. And पयलीं बी अशें जातालें की they used to just refer all the cases to Goa Medical College. And when there are facilities available in the district hospitals and when there are facilities available wherever there are beds, suppose you go to Consolim also, there we have enough capacity of beds. Nice. So basically what Mr. Alex, what Reginald is saying is absolutely correct, and we will keep monitoring this. The referral should stop, and if the referral stop, then the load on Goa Medical College will automatically reduce, and we will take an audit on a regular basis, and also we'll keep a thorough tab. And now being urban development also there, we have had a meeting, joint meeting already in the past with urban development as well as health, so that they can work in coordination with each other. Speakers, if he talks about eradication of dengue and all, whatever is the overall methodology that is followed is being followed. All the health officers are pretty active. They do whatever they need, the support also. Like that, if you go to see, there are Rogi Kalyan committees also at the panchayat level. Panchayat help also is required. This health department, everybody thinks that it's the role only of the health department to carry out fogging and all. It is not going to be possible. Health department, urban, if you go to the municipalities, they also run short of foggers. Yesterday somebody mentioned during the speaking, I mean, we have told them under the G Suda funds and all, ask them if they have workers, give them so that let them at least carry it out, and fogging itself is not the answer. There is overall mechanism that has to be in place. For that, your panchayats also have to be on board. And as per the Government of India rules regulation, you are supposed to make these panchayat level committees also. They also have to be, they have been given a small budget, even if it is a small budget, but if it all works in tandem.
मडगांव शहरात गेल्ले 8-10 दीस डेंगू केजीस आणि चिकनगुनिया केजीस वाडता. म्हणजे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलांक म्हणजे हांवूच जाणा एक 4-5 पेशंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलां आसा. दे आर ऑल रायट, दे आर नॉट सिरियस. हांव दोतोरा कडेन उलयलां. दोतोर ऑल्सो सेईंग दॅट दे शूड नॉट बी अ प्रॉब्लेम. पूण प्रॉब्लेम कितें जाता, जेन्ना एका बिल्डिंगेक एक डेंगू मेळटा न्ही, रोखडे लोकांचे फोन येतात की फॉगिंग करपाक मनीस धाड. आतां फॉगिंग करतलो जाल्यार म्युन्सिपाल्टी कडेनूय थोडें फॉगिंग करपा आहा, तुमचे कडेन थोडें. पूण आतां पयर कितें केलें, फायर ब्रिगेडी कडेन तुमी थोडे लेबर्स फायर ब्रिगेडी कडेन धाडले. म्युन्सिपाल्टीक ऑर्डर दिली, अमके मनीस फायर ब्रिगेडीक धाडा. त्या भशेन वेन मनसून स्टार्ट्स, I think you should give direction to the municipality to place some workers at the disposal of the urban health center.
Municipality कडेन ते वन वेरबिताल ना, आणि सेकंड लोकांची फेथ ना म्युन्सिपाल्टी जे फॉगिंग करतले तातूंत हे म्हणटले इट्स अ वेक्टर बोर्न डिसीज. सो बेसिकली जळार मरपाक जाय. आतां तातूंत एक्सपर्टायज कोणा कडेन आहा, हेल्था कडेन आहा, तांचो डिमांड सादो आहा. तुमीच प्रोविजन करा, नाल्यार आमी वर्कर घेता आनी तुमकां धाडटा. पुणून फॉगिंग जावंक जाय टू क्रिएट सम confidence building amongst the population.
I will whatever has been suggested will be implemented. I will talk to DMA immediately after the questionnaire and we'll take it forward.
गोवा 365 खातीर विधानसभेंतल्यान समीप नार्वेकार.